You know, this morning, I really have to share. Really have to share a story this morning because, you know, say last week, from the hurricane blow, I saw me there. I saw me live from the hurricane blow. I'm there, so lie down on the bed, so. And the dog did so lie down. Because I'm not lie. I can't build a place and I finish. I decide my mind say, oh, I'm not really getting no help from nobody, you know. I mean, I really want to get no help from nobody because sometimes people help you, I think I help them, I help you, I help them, I help you down. I'm going to tell some the dog did it. The dog come inside and lick my foot. You understand? And all of a sudden, him lick my foot and then, you know, so see me, you know, so I'm telling myself, so right now, I just build something good. You understand what I deal with? Just lick down what they did and start over fresh and something. Right? So, people just make them know, say, yo, you see, evil people, them dead out. You understand what I say? And I tell you something in the place and not feel too good. I'm going to say, oh no man, it's like one of the time I feel like I got dead, when the dog come in and lick my foot, you know. And after I lick my foot, people may say, all of a sudden, I just see one big black shadow just come in and the dog take on a big black shadow, you know. Like mega day, you know, because I don't feel good. And yo, suppose me telling us the people right now. They just say the dog end up. Yeah, the dog end up. Anything they may said for me, yo. See it, the dog end up getting it. I see it? Dead, the dog dead. I never the dog for dead, you know. Really have to share it. Yeah? I never the dog for dead, man. You see him? See him dead. Yeah, dog. Trust me. Yeah, man. Well, I'm going to tell you this dog, I go through everything to blood cleat. Yeah, and the dog go through everything. I see the hurricane blow and right that's up. To the park, the car right that's up. Not the hurricane. And the dog underneath the vehicle and me in a hit. You understand? And trust me, I can't believe the people so wicked and vile to blouse and skirt. Because I try to just build something. To put myself in and everything and people really, you know, I can't believe, really have to share that story of the blood cleat, but anyway, as I say still, I just give God thanks for life, man. Yeah, man, trust me, just give God thanks for life. Yeah. And yo, I don't know, but that is earth, yeah. Yeah, man, that is earth, yo, things. Dread. Yeah, man, the dread, man. Yeah, man, the dread, man, I tell you. And yo, I don't know, I don't, all through the hurricane and something, I'm not lucky. If you get things from people, I'm not lucky if you get things free. You understand? So I work for everything that me have. You get what I say? So I don't know why people evil, heartless, yo. Trust me. You know, but it's a God, man. So when I tell them things, they must stop you, and they must stop you, So make you stronger, yo. Yeah, man, so I just want to share that story of it, you know. If you show people, say, just be careful. Yeah, man, just be careful, you know.